Welcome everyone to IT Voice. Today we have Mr. Himendu Sinha, Senior Vice President, LG Business Solution. Sir, if you could introduce yourself and what this event about and the solution on display here today.
Yeah, so as you mentioned, I am Himendu Sinha. I take care of the business solutions division of LG Electronics, and we are primarily into promoting the solution around the product what we have. And this is an event we conduct across the country. We go to various cities and do this exhibition, come expo, come dealer meet, which we call Grand Tech Seminar. And we have moved around across most of the cities in the country, and now we are in Jaipur today. We are hosting this event in Jaipur. So we'll have a lot of customers, consultant, architects, partners walking in, and they witness the product what we have displayed, and also we talk about the solution around this product. So maybe briefly I'll take you through a tour of this event today. So we start with the solution. So as I say that we represent business solution division, and it's not about the product alone, because today customers are looking for the end-to-end solution. So here we have showcased a few of the solution what we have other than the product. You can see the Superfine, which is our content management software. We have Connected Care. The Connected Care is the one which can take care of all the devices which are deployed in a premises, even out of premises. We provide services based on the cloud, where all the devices which are connected in this network can be managed, monitored. Content also can be scheduled through this service. Then we have the LG Create mode. Now the LG Create mode gives an option for the customers to actually create interactive content, and then you know that today about education and boardrooms, everybody going to work around the collaborative platforms and the interactive kind of environment. So this is a product come solution for them. This includes the software also which comes from it. Then we have displayed an all-in-one screen, which is an Active LED. The Active LED is the technology which is catching up very fast nowadays. So this is a product which is 163 inches with pixel pitch of 1.8 mm, and this is an all-in-one product. So this works like a single screen. Although it's made out of small modules of LED, but it acts like a large screen, and with all the kind of controls and all kind of features which you expect normally in a large single screen. So this gives a lot of flexibility to the customer. They can do presentation, they can do video conferencing, they can watch content on it, they can use the signage also. So this is something which is catching up very fast nowadays. A lot of boardrooms, meeting rooms and banquet of this size, they use this product, which gives a lot of flexibility to the customer in terms of customization, in terms of clarity of the picture, in terms of reproduction, in terms of service delivery.
So all the solutions that you displayed are amazing. They are looking stunning, I would say. Could you tell me more about the smart UHD large screen signage display? I mean, this one looks pretty clear with crystal clear display, I would say.
So this is incidentally the largest single LCD screen. So this is 110 inches.
Amazing.
A single screen of 110 inches in LCD format, nobody has as of now. And it's a 4K screen. It can be used as the best signage deployment today. And as I say, a lot of boardrooms, a lot of meeting rooms of the smaller size, they said we go for this. So what has happened is that we have eliminated the scenes on the lines which come on a larger screen when you create a matrix using smaller screens. So this one is very popular today, and most of the corporates are using it for the boardrooms and meeting rooms. The next one I take you here. This is the hospitality zone. Now hospitality, when we say that it requires a specific kind of product with certain features which are very useful for the hotel. Okay. And here we have displayed a 4K hospitality TV, which is used primarily into hotel rooms, and it is a feature which is built in for a hotel application. And the 65-inch screen what we have displayed. So the entire range starting from 32 inches up to 86 inches for hospitality vertical and particularly hotels. And incidentally, we are a leader in that space. And then we have one more product which we wanted to introduce to you. This is a cutting-edge technology-based product which only LG has. This is a transparent OLED.
So we have an amazing product here, the LG transparent OLED signs. I mean, I can tell you it looks amazing. It's completely transparent, and I think the colors here are still stunning. Yeah. So if you could tell more about it.
Yeah, so this is based on a technology called organic LED, which is LG's patented technology. And this is today best in terms of viewing experience. This particular format you see in transparent product, where you can see on it and just see through it. So that lot of luxury, premium, and a lot of experience centers where you have to create a wow impact. People go for it. This comes in a 55-inch format, and this is a 4K. It provides a 4K resolution, and this is something which is amazing product, is rightly said, and gives a stunning experience of the visual reproduction.
Definitely has the wow factor, sir. Definitely. So thank you for showing us the products on display here. I mean, all of them look very amazing. Now I would like to know more about the channel engagement program or the partner engagement program that LG has for their partners.
Yeah, actually we work on the partner first policy. You really asked me that this program also is our continuation of our engagement plan for the partners. We call our partner engagement program LEAP, L-E-A-P, which is LG's Elite Alliance Partner Program. Through this, we carry out various activities, events for the partners. We ensure that they are aware of the products what we have, and that this has a lot of deliverables, starting from partner certification, partner incentives, partner training programs. We conduct the training programs even outside India. We take them to our R&D centers, factories. So we have very matured partner engagement programs, and that is one of the reasons that why we are so successful. We take good care of partners in terms of their enablement and in terms of their empowerment.
Good to know that, sir. So, how would you define LG business between sales strategy different from their competitors, I would say? How do you ensure that LG stays on top of the market?
See, one definitely that at the core of our philosophy of sales is the product. Now we create product excellence. Actually, we want to ensure that the experience to the end customer is one which we speaks for our business. And so at the center of our business philosophy is a product excellence, followed by a good pre-sales and post-sales structure. Now you'll ask me that we are the best pre-sales structure in the country. We have a big team for the pre-sales who help the customers and partners to conceptualize, to design, and to roll out the entire project for them. Then definitely I said the post-sales, LG is one of the best in terms of providing the post-sales service. We still have the direct service, and then at least for B2B or enterprise environment, we ensure that the service is taken care of by LG directly. And even we have gone one step ahead in terms of creating the customer experience, is that we have set up our BIC, we call it Business Innovation Centers. So we have 6 Business Innovation Centers spread across the country, where we have displayed almost all the products what you see here, and even more than them, where customers can walk in, the partners can come along, and actually we can simulate any application which customer is looking to deploy at their premises, and that gives huge leverage in terms of gaining the customer mind share and then staying at the top.
So, talking on the customer segment of it, how does LG ensure perfect customer support? I mean, LG is parallel to perfect customer support from what I've heard. So, what do you have to say on the customer support part of it?
Yeah, as you rightly said, one definitely is that we have a pre-sales team. We're talking about the B2B space. We have a pre-sales team where my team goes and meets a customer, try to understand the requirement, and that we ensure that we deliver exactly what customer expects. So there is no gap between the expectation and the delivery. That's part one. The customer feel very happy that they got exactly what they wanted, and that is a huge strength. Nobody in the industry has this size of a pre-sales team. And second, as I said, that we still have not outsourced our post-sales service. The post-sales service remains with LG. So whenever the customer makes a call, it goes directly to LG, and then the person who is walking the customer premises remains an LG person. So that belongingness, the ownership of the product and the solution remains with LG. So that's a huge differentiator in our case.
That's amazing to know, sir. So, any last words you have to say to our IT Voice audience?
Yeah, I'm very thankful to you, and thanks for having me for this chat and discussion. As you're doing a wonderful job in terms of spreading the awareness over the IT and then creating a network and platform where the best minds can come together and help customers and grow business. So I wish you all the very best, and then keep